Hello everyone, I'm Bindu Trikha, Assistant Professor, IMS Ghaziabad. Today we would be discussing about how we can print various statements in C program or how we can display the output in C program. For displaying the output we have printf function, and printf function is written in stdio.h header file. Initially we had studied that we have to include a header file in our program so as to use the definition of the built-in functions, and printf is one such built-in function that is used to display the text on the output screen in C through C programs. Now this function is used to display any text, numeric or character in C language. For example, here I've written printf. It's an example of displaying text. Now anything that is enclosed within double quotes is displayed as it is on the output screen. So here I have written it's an example of displaying text would be displayed as it is onto the output screen. Now this is a text, it would be printed directly. Now suppose if I say I want to print the value of an integer variable. Say I have declared a as an integer variable and its value is initialized to 10. So we have written int a equals to 10. Now my first statement is printf in double quotes a. What would be printed? Now here, the value of a will not be printed because a is enclosed within the double quotes, and the output of this particular statement would be a, only the character a. Next we have printf a. In printf a, I have not used double quotes, I have not used any format specifier, so it's an error for C program. Now our main question is I have to display the value of a, that is 10. The value is displayed using the format specifiers. Here I have mentioned the format specifier as %d, and format specifiers are always enclosed within the double quotes. So this %d would be replaced by the value of a, and this function would display 10. If I had given the value of a as 40, then %d would be replaced by the value 40. There is one more method to display the output. Here, what is a? 10. We can't understand. Now in the next statement here, what I have written is printf, and in double quotes a is equals to %d comma a. Now value of a is 10. This %d would be replaced by 10, and we would be getting a is equals to 10 on the output screen. So by this example, I am very much clear that printf is used to display the text. It can be used to display the numeric values, it can be used to display the character value, it can be used to display the your floating point values. You have to write the correct format specifier according to your variable type. If you want to display the string only, then it should be enclosed within the double quotes, and if it is a integer value, then we would be using the format specifier %d within the double quotes. Now let us print the values of float variables. Say I have taken a float variable a and its value is being initialized to 10.24. For floating point values, the format specifier is %f. Now I have written printf %f in double quotes comma a. Now what would happen? A would be replaced by the value of %f would be replaced by the value of a, that is 10.24. and in my next statement I have written a is equals to %f comma a. Now this %f is again replaced by the value of a, and we would be getting the result as a is equals to 10.24. For printing the value of a character variable, we need to declare a character variable. Say I have written here character section is equals to a. A is enclosed within single quotes because character variables are always enclosed within the single quotes. Now format specifier for a character variable is %c. I would be writing printf %c comma section. Now this %c would be replaced by the value of section, so we would be getting a on the output screen. And similarly we have printf section c %c in double quotes. So here section C, section is A would be displayed. So this is how we print the floating point values and the character values and the real values, whatever kind of values you want to display. Now these are the various format specifiers that are being used in C language. For integers we have percentile D, and if we have unsigned integers we can have percentile U as well. For long signed integers it is percentile LD, long unsigned it is percentile LU. For floating point values we have percentile F. For double values, that means bigger values than floating point values, we have percentile LF. For characters we have percentile C, and for string we have percentile S. So this is the format specifier. These are the format specifiers for the various variables that you want to display on the screen. Let us take one example. We have a program to print sum of two numbers. Here I have used three variables a, b and sum, and the three variables are of integer type. A is being initialized to 10, b is being initialized to 20, and the sum is equals to a plus b. Now sum is being calculated. We have a as 10, b as 20 and sum as 30. Now look at the printf statement. In the printf statement, what I have mentioned is sum of percentile D and percentile D is percentile D. So the first percentile D is replaced by variable A, value of variable A. Second percentile D is replaced by value of variable B, and the third percentile D would be replaced by the value of sum. So the output would be displayed in the form of sum of 10 and 20 is 30. So we can print the sum in any form we want to represent. Actually our program should be user friendly. It should clearly mention what is being displayed on the screen. It's not only 10, 20 or 30. If we are writing 10, 20 and 30, nobody can conclude that yes, these are the sum. But if I'm printing sum of 10 and 20 is 30, then obviously it would good look and your output would be much clearer. So try to print the output statements in such a manner that everybody can understand those statements. And I hope that this printf statement or the method to display the string or integer or character is now clear to you. So thank you. And we have one more example here. What I have done, I have used floating point values also. So here I have a is equals to 10.5 and b is equals to 12.76. When we'll calculate the sum is equals to a plus b, then the particular function would display sum of numbers is percentile f comma sum. Sum would be displayed, and we have used percentile f because my sum variable is of floating point type. So thank you and have a nice day. Hope this video is now clear to you.